The difficulty with this reel is going to be this. There was a huge knot in this, and it makes the whole thing off balance. You can see here, I had to fill it all with epoxy, and I'm hoping it's gonna turn out well. It may not. You just never know how the wood's gonna turn. You just never know until you, turn it. Let's give it a go. Turned out well. There's a knot. This won't be there, but here, that's going to be quite pretty, actually. That's going to be quite pretty. Oh, come on. Quite pretty.